understand the idea of area and perimeter, and I can calculate the area and perimeter. Greetings, fellow mathematicians. Today we will discuss area and perimeter. Let's start with area. So what area is just the space inside of something. So say inside of the square, we can calculate how much space is inside of the square. So the way we do that is we calculate area using this big A to denote area. Area equals base times height. You might be wondering, what's base and height? So let's break it down together. I'm going to use a rectangle just for a more clear example. Okay, so base would be this, and height would be this. So we say, suppose we have a 10 here and a 15 here. So we would say, oh, I know what the area is equal. Area equals 10 times 15. Oh, the area is 150. Don't worry, we'll be doing more practice with this. The perimeter, on the other hand, is just the outside. So we're just finding the lengths of each side and adding them all up. So we have, say, 5, 5, 5, and 5. So P equals 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals 20. So say we have our rectangle again. Say we have 10, 5, 5, 10. So we end up with 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10 equals 20, 30. Alright, does that make sense? I hope so. Okay, now let's do some practice. Okay, let's find the area and perimeter of this. First, we're going to write down our area equation. Area base times height. Okay, we know our base is what's across. So our base is equal to 10. And then our height is also equal to 10. So what we do is we plug our things in for the equation, and we just got to figure out how to multiply, which just multiplies to 100. Now for perimeter, we know that each side is equal to 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So our perimeter is equal to 40. So we write equals 40. Alright, now let's move on to something a little bit harder. Now since we're trying something that's a bit harder, do you know how to start with this? Okay, so first we see that half of the rectangle's length is 5 and the other half is 5. Okay, so we can add those two lengths up to give us the total length, which is 10. Now, knowing that this total length is actually 10, do you think you could set this up for us? I'll give you the area equation. Area equals base times height, and perimeter is just the sum of all sides. That's right. Area is going to equal 5 times 10, and perimeter is going to be 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5. So we have 50 here, and then we have 30 here. Okay, are you ready for the challenge question now? This one might be a little tricky, but I think we can do it all together. What do you think? Do you want to take a second to try and solve it on your own? Alrighty, let's do this together now. So first, I'm going to chop this shape up into two different shapes. And since this entire length is 10, we can deduce now that this is 5 because of this side here, and then this would also have to be 5 for this to be 10. Meaning that we got one of our sides here. Okay, so this is going to be A1, and this is going to be A2. Okay, so A1 equals base times height, and our base here, or our base here is 10. So we have 10 times 5 equals 50, and then our second area, A2, equals, we have 5 times 20. Base times height equals 20 times 5 equals 100. Then we just add them all together. So we get 150. 150 is our total area. Then we have perimeter. We just got to add up all the sides. So we have 5 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. And then we're back around again. So this gives us 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. Our area equals 150 and our perimeter equals 50.